unboxing of the CZ 455 I just picked up. A couple of extras to go with it. MDT rail system with 20 MOA elevation in, 6 to 9 inch bipod, Buffalo River, and a Hawk Vantage 6 to 24 by 50 adjustable objective scope. The scope I already had laying around. It's a little bit too big for the rifle, but it'll work. Let's get into it. First impressions are pretty good. It's packed reasonably well. Not going to move with that support in there. Just a bolt straight away. Nice little bolt. Set her up here behind us on the gun stand. What have we got down here? A warranty certificate. Not a cracker of English on it. Great. Comes with an instruction manual. 70 odd pages long. Handy. A multi-language instructional manual and support DVD. That's a nice touch, I like that. And this is, oh nice, it's a test for the rifle itself. So it was proof shot at the factory. There we go. So the cross is the point of aim. The white circles are the point of impact. And the mean point of impact is the black dot, which is the geometrical center of all 5 shots taken. It's about a little over half an inch, 2/3 of an inch at 50 meters, with RWS 40 grain ammunition. So that's nice too. Actually, I really like that. Quite nice. Slip the bolt straight in. I like the safety too. Little 5-shot magazine. It's plastic, but it should serve its purpose either way. We'll whack it up in the stand. And we'll bring his up a bit closer. Good first impressions. We'll get straight on just to whacking the rail on top. Now this is pretty sure an American made, so it's an imperial set, not a metric set. I have one of those handy. It should slide straight on. Tuck away would help. Now I had to pick up this rail. It does come with a dovetails on top, but the Hawk scope that I had already has Picatinny rings on it, and it was dearer to get a decent set of rings, so I just got the Picatinny base made from MDT for this rifle to go on it instead. I know there's the correct amount of tension and all that sort of stuff that you're meant to put on these. I don't have any of those tools, so I'm just going to do them down reasonably tight, all of them. Move it onto a right angle, and then just give them all a little torque. Should just tighten it down nicely. Beautiful. Scope that I already had. Not a bad looking scope. Shot it on my Varmint 700 in 223. Seems to work fine on that, so there's no reason why it shouldn't work fine on this. Just a little bit less kick on a 22 than there is in a 223. Just going to whack it straight on at the back, just for video purposes. It looks reasonably close as it is anyway. Then a bit of a torque down as well. Last but not least, the bipod. So we'll lift this up and just attach the bipod. Flick them down. Get rid of the gun stand. Mark that straight on the bench. Here's a bit of a look. Pretty quick, simple to set up. Little flash hider on the end of it. Just a more of a cosmetic thing on a 22. Beautiful little rifle. Now I just got to get out to the range and shoot. Videos of that should be coming up as well.